How to fix Wi-Fi connection issues on Android. Hey everyone, this is Rose from Create Login and Delete. Without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, you need to open your phone settings. Navigate to the search bar. Now type in resets. And then you will see different reset options. Simply you need to scroll down and select Reset Network Settings. The path may vary by device. Now you need to confirm the reset. Tap Reset Network Settings again and identify by entering your fingerprint and tap Reset Network Settings. After that, this will erase saved Wi-Fi networks but can fix many connection issues. Next is you need to simply go ahead and open Settings. And now you have to scroll down. Now tap in About Device. Scroll to the bottom of the screen. Tap on Version and you need to simply tap 7 times on build number to enable developer mode. You can see that we are already a developer. So what you can do is simply you need to head towards additional settings and now you need to tap on developer options. Now you have to scroll down and locate the option for Wi-Fi scan throttling, and if it is turned on, you need to simply toggle the button off. So in the same developer options page, you need to simply locate debugging section and tap on allow screen overlay on settings, or simply instead of that you need to make sure to locate always keep mobile data on and turn it on. This helps maintain an internet connection during Wi-Fi disruptions. After making the changes, restart your phone and check if the issues of Wi-Fi is resolved. Following these steps would resolve most Wi-Fi connection problems on Android. If you found this tutorial helpful, then please hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.